Hi, Double D. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong at suporta niyo sa amin ni Yorme at ng Yorme Shows. Dito lang kami palagi sa gilid.
Thank you po.
Hello, Boss Marco. Ayun. Hi, beautiful.
Pababa mo naman.
Waited for you. Ay, kamusta kayo?
Hello! It's nice to see you.
Hello.
Hi, see you again.
Hi. Oh, tuloy na kayo.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes po. Galing na.
Ano?
Sa voice out.
Voice sound.
Sisingit kami na photo.
Tabi lang yan.
Sige. Teka, ito yung ito kasi about a month ago, humingi ako ng listahan sa mga OT sa businesses. McDonald's. That's it. What we wanted? Simple lang. Kasi gusto ko sumunod sila. Worker manager. Kasi there is a income. 6 months na. So 6 months namin sa mga establishment. Most of the, ito, nabigyan na sila lahat. Kaya lang malakas mo. Kailangan daw special yung McDonald's.
Kaya lakas mo sa amin eh.
Halika. Good morning sa inyo. Halika, si Vice Mayor.
Okay.
Anyway, hi guys. Good morning. Okay. I don't know if you saw it already, but thank you.
Ariel. Area mo na. Again, good morning. One, I think by this time you know it already. You seen your ride? Ayos. Isa to ba?
Sa McDo, magaling. So anyway, by this time you know it already that there is a program made and introduced by the President under the LGSF fund or Local Government Support Fund. And we were directed by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to give rice assistance to Manileños. But I opted to give it to yung mga based on directive ng Presidente. Sabi niya yung mga taxpayer naman ang bigyan natin, yung mga nagtatrabaho, mga ibisan kanilang gastusin. Kaya I'm happy to your organization, McDonald's, when we called them and asked them how many McDonald's crew all over Manila. And in a matter of few minutes, we were given numbers. So that's why we included you in the plan. And today, mararamdaman nyo na yung tulong ng pamahalaan nasyonal at lokal. This is not gonna happen today alone. This is going to happen in the rest 6 months. Yes. Every other month, darating ito sa workplace niyo. Kaya magalala, kita ninyo dito kami pumunta. At ito ay gagawin, at sa matter of na lang to, ceremonial, but ito ay gagawin kung saan yung workplace para hindi naman disturbo ang negosyo, hindi naman disturbo ang trabaho. Yung assist, sabi nga, di ba, pagka gusto ibigay maraming exactly. That's the point of your city government of Manila. And we're happy that the other day, 16,000 on the first day. This is an 80,000 individuals or family works, lives in Manila and sectors. Pati yung mga tricycle natin at saka jeep, tatama sila ulit. Tatamaan ulit sila. So, This is our one way of cushioning. Kung maramdaman ng tao yung kumaman lang. Kasusi mo, imatikip ka man lang. Kahit paano. Eh, ang natulungan nito, would you imagine, mga magsasakang Pilipino. Because one of the directive is to acquire rice from our farm. Kaya, pag na may ecosystem, yung buong ecosystem, umikot talaga yung pera. So, I'm happy with the Vice Mayor here, Vice Mayor Chi, Tessa, to see you, to see that things are being implemented accordingly at suabe or smooth. So muli sa inyo lahat, galingan ninyo. So yun naman ako, ang dami ko senior dito. Ang dami mo namang hinarap. Margo, nakakatuwa naman, nakaka-proud naman yung Macdo. Kasi I'm happy kasi yung mga lolo at lola ko. Lalo na, tingnan mo naman itong mga ito, matitigas pa. Mukhang pangkalawit pa itong mga ito. Kapuling pa ito ng chicks. But I'm happy really for them. I'm happy and proud to our partners, private sectors, fulfilling the dreams and aspiration of your city government, to give opportunity and to bring back to the society yung ating mga seniors. Be more productive again, you know, kahit paano, at their age, may pumapasok ulit na salapi sa loob ng bahay. And ako na may tiwala sa kanila na kaya nilang gampanan yung tungkulin na binigay sa kanila sa kumpanya. For now, this is the program, biyayang bigas para sa Maynila. At huwag kayo mag-alala, huwag kayo mag-iisip kung taga saan man kayo. Ang importante sa akin, yung negosyo, gumaan. Yung existence nila sa crisis na ito sa loob ng Maynila. Yung empleyado, gumaan ang katatayuan. Mahirap ang buhay. Maibsan man lang. In economics, I call it cushioning the socio-economic impact of this crisis sa buhay. Yun yung approach. And kami nila Jay, at the Vice Mayor, may gagawin ulit naman na karagdagang programa. Patungkol pa rin sa crisis nito. But for now, this is for our working class in the city of Manila. And we are very proud of you because of what you're doing to the companies that you serve. Give them growth. So kung kayo nagsisipag, magiging eficiente, lalago ang negosyo. Pag lago ng negosyo, mas maraming negosyo mabubuksan. At doon papasok yung pangunahing polisiya ng lungsod. MBN, Minimum Basic Need. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs. And for us to create jobs and opportunity for the people of Manila, kailangan ng negosyo mag-survive sa crisis. If there is growth, thank you. But the very minimum, survive. Because, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Ang pagangat naman ng negosyo ay malaking oportunidad para sa mamamayang sinasakop natin. At yung mga taong dumadako sa lungsod natin. At pag may trabaho, alam mo, sa metod, mas panatag ang pamumuhay sa mga. Mas tahimik. Alam niya ng mga matatanda dito. They've been there than that, sabi nga nila. So muli, magandang umaga sa inyo. Pwede ba ako mag-take out? Logbanisa daw eh. Gusto niyo walking. Mag-take out ako mamaya. So, nabili na? Okay, na-take out na. Bilis kilos talaga mga tao gobyerno sa Maynila. Sinasabi ko pala, nabili na talaga. Galaw-galaw. So, mag-ingat kayo. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Parang mga lolo-lola. O kayo. Peg 2 Net May ngayon. Sobrang init ang panahon. Mag-iingat kayo. I'm really proud na may hanap buhay kayo ulit. So magandang umaga at palain na ba kayo na ito. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mayor Isko at Syudad ng Maynila for this Rise Aid program po. Alam po namin na sa taas ng bilihin ngayon, maraming mamamayan ang pwede po nitong matulungan. Ayan, thank you so much po. And ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite everyone to please be seated na po. And we are about to begin.
Sino yung mga branch manager, mga taga-maklo?
Kasi, wala na. Kasi.
Kasama ka sa tira.
With that, our McDonald's You and the Fair family is especially excited as we honored to be the first to receive the Manila Rise Aid program. Biyayang Bigas sa Manila, which is the part of Manila City Social Relief Measures in partnership with the Office of the President. All beneficiaries of Manila City will receive 10 kilograms of rice meal per month starting April until September 2026.
Bawali ka. O, yan. Mag-Rudy, kaya-kaya pa. Para kasi bongit ha. Bumubuhat-buhatin mo ha. Kaya mo ba yun? Gano'n? Kaya mo yun? O, sige. O, sige pa. Ay, kunin nyo na.
Okay, ayan palakpakan naman natin ang City Government of Manila and sa mga service crew na dito po ngayon.
Galing nyo na po yung bigas na kasama nyo.
This time, nakita na sila kumakawa. Ayun. And rest assured, City Government will bring this
Dalawang bigas.
Ha?
Dalawang bigas ang mga tao.
Meron na. Hindi mo natira. Kasi mapapagalitan sa piso. Meron na.
Yun. Ayos na. Okay, thank you, sir.
Ano yan? Trabaho ng mga link siya, link.
Thank you naman kayo, Mayor.
And muli, maraming salamat po, Mayor Isko and Vice Mayor Chi. Alam mo, we also want to thank someone who is not here that have definitely played a big role in helping RMHC. Open for Ronald McDonald's Family Relief Learning Centers, none other than our McDonald's customers.
Doon ka tayong